Hi, and welcome to my discussion on group development in substance use and counseling. And I'll be using the Celebrate Recovery model. It's a little bit different. It's not quite as mainstream as some of the theories and that we've studied. However, I think it integrates a lot of those things. And since most of the substance use people groups are, a lot of them are 12-step based, I thought I would just add Celebrate Recovery in there. So, my name is Barbieri, and today I'll be exploring how group dynamics can support individuals on their journey to recovery. Um, and so let's begin with the initial stage of group development. Celebrate Recovery is a Christ based program designed to help individuals struggling with various addictions and emotional hurts. Pretty much everyone we know has hurts, habits, and hangups. This one would be essentially all addiction based. It would be a group for addictions within Celebrate Recovery. Um, so we'll begin with the initial stage. We typically see a diverse group of members aged 18 and older, and they come from various backgrounds united in their desire for recovery. Um, the first skill that I will focus on um, is attending and listening. That's super important. Creating a safe place is essential. During our initial meetings, I will discuss issues of acceptance, identity, power, and intimacy to help alleviate the stress of being in those meetings. We'll collaboratively develop group norms that reflect the principles of Celebrate Recovery, fostering respect and confidentiality. Here, I will incorporate motivational interviewing using open ended questions and explore each member's motivations for recovery and personal goals. And then in the transition stage, um, we'll the focus will shift to more encouraging participation. So I'll use icebreakers, structured activities, comment and celebrate recovery to engage the quieter members. And this will help build rapport and trust within the group. I'll also emphasize conflict resolution skills. By facilitating discussions on emerging conflicts, I can guide members to express their feelings and perspectives while remaining true to the program's objectives and principles. During this stage, I will apply motivational interviewing techniques, practicing reflective listening to validate members' feelings and encourage deeper exploration of their recovery journey. And then as we move to the working stage, the group will begin to dive deeper into their recovery paths. So I will facilitate open dialogue by implementing techniques like sharing personal testimonies and utilizing the 12 steps of recovery. And these practices will help deepen connections and insights among the members. Accountability becomes crucial here. So I will introduce goal setting exercises where members can share their personal recovery goals and support one another. And I will encourage efficacy through motivational interviewing, highlighting individual strengths and past successes in overcoming challenges. And then in the final stage, um, we will focus on reflection and closure. That will be key. I'll lead discussion on group experiences, emphasizing gratitude and personal growth. And I will encourage members to develop individual plans and for their continued support and recovery, reinforcing the importance of ongoing fellowship. And then motivational interviewing will also play a role here because I will summarize members' insights and progress, reinforcing their commitment to their recovery journey. In conclusion, using the Celebrate Recovery model within the group development provides a structured and supportive environment for individuals struggling with substance use. By integrating motivational interviewing techniques, we can foster deeper engagement and accountability among our group members. Thank you for watching. One thing I did want to show you as we continue on this path there are a couple different things that we could do. We could actually work through the Celebrate Recovery participant guide, which basically walks you through with questions the 12 steps. And the difference in Celebrate Recovery is that Jesus Christ is the higher power. There is no God as you understood God or whatever your higher power is. The higher power, there's only one, and it's Jesus. Or if we wanted to do kind of a more abbreviated version, we could do the Life Healing Choices, which comes with a workbook with questions. And so both of these, kind of on that accountability part, people have to answer the questions every single week, and they will bring their answers, read them out loud, and then we discuss. So really, thank you so much, and have a great day.